And before this video gets started, I'm going to let you know, don't come for me. I add lots of seasoning to my food. Make sure you put some butter in that squash along. Yeah, and I said butter. Butter with those seasonings, okay? And of course, season your meat, season everything. You already know. But I didn't show that I put butter in here, so don't come for me, okay? But yeah, so let's get into this conversation. So y'all, when I say I've had a long week, and I know a lot of y'all can relate to that. So this was just one of those very simple meals that I was like, okay, we just gonna whoop something up real nice, and we're gonna keep it cute. We're gonna keep it cute, all right? So I've been trying to tell y'all to book a session with me. Like, I don't know why y'all so hesitant. Just tap the button. Let's talk about it. Get to it. It's a new year. We grinding. We doing what we need to do this year, okay? So book a session with your girl. Also, my recipe book is out there. So don't hesitate to tap that either. I got all my links in my bio, from my YouTube to my TikTok, to all my content, my Amazon storefront. Y'all sleeping on me, for real, okay? I mean, you see how good that sauce look, so you should get my book, okay? Like, let's just be real. But y'all, this spaghetti squash, when I say I seen it and I was like, I wonder if mine look like that. And it do. And it do. You see that pool? Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna go for the other one. I got to check to make sure both of them got that pool. Now you see the seasoning on the bottom, but ain't nothing but butter and seasoning in these noodles, y'all. And when I say they were delicious, delicious, and way more healthier. Like, this is probably the best spaghetti I've had in a while. I mean, of course, noodles are noodles, but it was just something about that extra crunch that squash give you, It's just, I don't know. But yeah, so this will be in my part two of my recipe book. I do have the original and the copy that is in my link above. So again, just make sure you get that, grab that, look at that pull. And I added cheese to my sauce. You gotta have the cheese. All right, see you guys later. Bye.